Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul, and bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera with a lovely bed liner, tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front with running boards on each side, side view camera, blind spot, spotlight, turn light indicated, all on that lovely mirror of that. And looking at the front here, we got a black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior, floor mats, cup holders and storage, 12-volt rear vents, some outlets for charging, and of course you do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, lights, gas cap, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 55 kilometers. We do get this leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible, tons of storage, outlets, wireless charging, cup holders. You got your interior work surface. That's perfect for having a laptop here, food, totally up to you. We do get some nice storage below as well. Rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist. We got heated front seats, dual climate, some outlets on the side here as well, upper and lower storage with storage on the dash. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You got your park chime so you can turn on or off, traction, hazards, and a nice 360 view of your vehicle. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls right here as well, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, all that jazz. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB41079, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.